Hello everyone, welcome to Module 5 on emerging flash-based technologies. Particularly in this module, we'll learn about two main emerging flash-based technology called as multi-stream SSD and key value SSDs. Within these two topics, so for multi-stream SSD, first we would definitely learn things like what is multi-stream SSD, what are some of the challenges that this technology is facing, how to tackle some of these challenges, some research methodologies already that we are seeing in current articles, learn about those, and also see things like how different workloads can impact, they can have different performance and reliability when we use multi-stream SSDs. Towards the concepts of key value SSDs, first we would see like what is the reason behind why do we need key value SSDs and what motivated invention of these new technology. We would see the basic concepts behind how key value SSD work, how is it different from the traditional block-based SSD, and then we would learn about some of the management tasks inside key value SSDs, such as indexing scheme, index occupancy, data packing, and key handling. We would see about what are the problems that could be anticipated to happen inside key value SSDs and open to any solutions on how to solve this problem.